Asus has introduced an officially licensed Xbox OLED gaming controller. Hi friends and welcome to Viktors Reality. Asus has brought to CES 2023 the Raikiri and Raikiri Pro, and focusing here on the Pro version. That OLED gaming screen looks to take your controller to the next level and can be programmed to show custom animations, images, or text. It can also show charging status. You can mute the microphone or change profiles. 4 rear buttons are easily within reach and offer crisp, satisfyingly tactile feedback with each press, with a contour shape and slip-resistant texture. The Pro can also be customized via ROG's Armoury Crate software, which allows you to control the vibration levels, joystick dead zone, and much more. The Pro features tri-mode connectivity via Bluetooth 2.4 GHz RF or USB-C, and on the audio side, it features a built-in ESS DAC to improve your sound and make this an all-in-one controller. The Raikiri base model will be available soon, and the Raikiri Pro will be available at a later date. Friends, I just had to show you this awesome controller. I am an Xbox fan. OLED technology on a controller, and you can see the LED lighting and the awesome texture and grip of the controller. Plus the audio features makes this an all-in-one controller, and I can't wait to get this in-house and really give it a go, because that OLED display opens up many usable features, and I hope game developers can take advantage to really showcase the power of this awesome controller. And with CES 2023 upon us, many companies are showing their gaming accessories to take your gaming to the next level. Friends, I'll leave you here with the Asus product showcase on the Xbox OLED gaming controller so you can get a better idea of all that it can do. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next time.
ROG has a diverse range of accessories to improve gameplay, as well as your overall gaming experience. Up next, we have the Raikiri Pro, a controller that delivers unrivaled in-game controls and extreme customization. The Raikiri Pro is the first Xbox certified controller that features a built-in OLED display and can be programmed to show custom animations, images, or text, or use it to show charging status, microphone mute, or profile indicators. 2 buttons at the top of the Raikiri Pro allow you to switch between controller profile while in the middle of a game, or change what's being displayed on the OLED. Tri-mode connectivity allows you to connect to PC or gaming console via USB-C, 2.4 GHz, or Bluetooth for ultimate multi-platform compatibility. With the Raikiri Pro, we've put more commands at your fingertips. 4 ergonomic rear buttons are easily within reach and offer crisp, satisfyingly tactile feedback with each press. The buttons can be programmed to perform complex in-game commands or tweak joystick sensitivities on the fly. Both left and right triggers offer a full range of motion and include a physical trigger lock if you prefer shorter travel. What's more, you can easily tailor controls to suit the game you are playing. The Raikiri Pro's extensive customization options don't end there. You can also adjust Aura RGB lighting, remap buttons, tweak dead zones, and more in Armoury Crate. The Raikiri Pro's sci-fi-inspired aesthetic is designed for all-day gaming, featuring an ergonomic contour shape and slip-resistant texture for secure and comfortable grip. The Raikiri Pro even has a built-in ESS DAC for premium true-to-life audio with a 3.5mm jack connection. As you can see, the Raikiri Pro comes fully loaded with features that make it perfect for gaming on PC, laptop, or the next-gen Xbox console. The base model Raikiri will be available soon, with the Raikiri Pro following at a later date.